Hello and welcome to Campus Portal Training for Pacific College applicants. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new application using the Campus Portal system. The first step to doing so is to navigate to my.pacific-college.edu. Once we're on this website, click on Online Application, then Create New Application. The fields marked with an asterisk are required. For the purposes of this video, I'll be going kind of fast. For your birth date, you want to use a four-digit year, so like 1994 or 2001, something like that. For your PIN or personal identification number, you should be using 4 digits. Once you've completed all the required fields, click on Submit. Once you get to this screen, an email containing your application ID and PIN will be sent to your email. Click on Continue an Application, and then here we'll start filling out our application. There are 7 sections in total that we need to fill out. The fields I'm currently filling out are required fields for this section. Once you've completed all the required fields, click Save and Continue. This will bring us to our second section, Emergency Contact. Once we're here, we want to click Save first. This will create a new entry, and then we can click Continue. Here is where you select the program you want to apply to. Here's the term and the campus. Once you've selected all of these, click Save. There will be a new entry here, and then you can click Continue. For prior education, we'll use the Search by Institution tool. For example, I will be searching for a high school. For the state, use the 2-letter abbreviation, and then click Submit. And right here, we can see this high school listed with the address. Once we click on it, click Save, and there will be a new entry down here. Now we can click Continue. For employment, if you're employed, fill out these fields. If you're unemployed, type unemployed. Click Save. There will be a new entry down here, and then click Continue. For additional questions, fill them out as best as you can. If you don't have any other name that appears on legal documents or academic records, you can type N/A or none. Here's where you can select a primary financial resource sponsor and a secondary financial resource sponsor. Once you filled out these fields, click Save, and then click Continue. For this section, you only need to fill this out if you have a registered nurse license or vocational nurse license. If you don't have either of these, just click Continue. Now we're at the last step where we submit the application. For this step, just click Submit Application, hit OK, and your online application has been processed. Once it has been processed, you will be sent a confirmation email to the email you provided. Thank you for your time, and I hope I was helpful.